Flood 2016. Ooh, a cooler. Let's see, here's my car. Any damage? Oh no. Gosh.
There's a fish next to my car.
So, this is my apartment. And it's crazy. Look at that. Oh. I'm about to commandeer this floaty.
America!
Y'all want to throw me a beer? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. 2016. Rolling down these rapids in my apartment complex. Because you know. Flood 2016! Just left the boat over here. Are you gonna load it up again?
On my shoulders as a child, but I let it all go to my waist. I've come through 10 years for my blood to stick in my blood like water.
Hey, we'll see you. We'll see you when we see you. Yeah, thanks for everything, guys. What are you thinking? All right. Okay, cool. You need help with anything? All right.
Let's get to that concrete.
This is the most active I've ever seen Justin.
I know. Yesterday, me freaking dragging Jeremy.
Hey, hey. Flood 2016. I'm on the highway. Herbert, what's up? You'll never see this again.
I'll never get the chance to stand on the interstate. Yeah.
Evacuation 2016. Oh, dang. Herbert, we got this, buddy.